HUAWEI Watch 5, a bold leap forward in smartwatch innovation. The HUAWEI Watch 5 stands as a remarkable evolution in the world of smartwatches, offering a compelling blend of premium design, robust performance, and cutting-edge health monitoring. Available in two elegant sizes, 46mm and 42mm, this latest generation caters to diverse style preferences and wrist sizes, making it a versatile choice for both men and women. The design of the HUAWEI Watch 5 showcases luxury and durability. The 46mm version boasts aerospace-grade titanium or 316L stainless steel cases, while the 42mm variant features refined 904L stainless steel or standard stainless steel, depending on color. Each model includes carefully crafted strap options, from fluoroelastomer to titanium and composite, ensuring comfort and durability for all-day wear. With its LTPO 2.0 AMOLED display, users are treated to vibrant visuals, peaking at an impressive 3000 nits of brightness, making readability flawless even under direct sunlight. Beyond its stunning appearance, the Watch 5 excels in functionality. It is loaded with an array of advanced sensors including a 6.0 optical heart rate sensor, ECG, body temperature, depth, and barometer sensors, as well as tactile feedback for a truly immersive experience. Whether you're tracking workouts, monitoring sleep with HUAWEI True Sleep, or managing stress levels, the smartwatch delivers deep insights and reliable health data. Battery performance is another highlight. The 46mm model provides up to 4.5 days of typical usage and 11 days in power-saving mode, while the 42mm model supports up to 3 days in standard mode and 7 days in saver mode. These figures make the Watch 5 ideal for both active users and travelers seeking long-lasting battery life. Connectivity and convenience are also fully optimized. With Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, Wi-Fi 6, and dual-band GNSS positioning, the Watch 5 ensures seamless communication and precise location tracking. Its wireless charging and rotating crown with HUAWEI X-Tap interface deliver intuitive user control. Water and dust resistance has reached new heights with 5 ATM and IP69 certifications, supporting depths of up to 40 meters for freediving and making it a reliable partner for most aquatic activities. However, HUAWEI advises against wearing the device in hot water or high humidity environments such as saunas or hot springs. In conclusion, the HUAWEI Watch 5 is not just a watch, it's a comprehensive lifestyle companion. Combining elegant craftsmanship with powerful health tracking capabilities and robust endurance, it marks a major step forward in wearable technology. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a tech lover, or someone seeking everyday functionality in a stylish form, the HUAWEI Watch 5 is an exceptional choice.